Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Aaron Novak.
Nailed it.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got a sponsorship and affiliate with lensrental.com and how you can get similar deals, even if you're just starting out.
What? You're giving away the secrets?
Yeah, why not?
Well, it's a lot of work for one thing. And why? To help people?
Well, that's why we're doing this, to help people.
Yeah, right. You mean to tell me all this work is to help people and you're not trying to make some money?
Well, we can't help others until we help ourselves.
Yeah, right. You keep telling yourself that. You can't help others. That's not what I meant. Besides, think about it. If you tell everyone the secrets, then what makes you special anymore?
Just being ourselves makes us special. Anyways, if you subscribed to my channel, you saw that in one of my previous videos, I rented from lensrental.com. And I did that for a wedding, but then the wedding ended up getting canceled, so I decided to make the best out of the situation and do a review, not only on the rental process, but the lens and the camera body that I rented. The experience was amazing, and I even actually forgot to send them back a battery charger, and they were super patient with me. I ended up sending it back like a week later, but once I finally finished getting all my stuff back to them, I reached out to the person that I was in contact with, and I said, hey, here's a little video I made of the process and the lens and the camera, and I just really enjoyed the experience. Thanks for working with me, and I'd love to do more videos like this in the future. And the person that I reached out to was like, oh, you know what? Actually, I'm not the right person to speak to about this. So they ended up giving me the email for the person that does marketing there. And I reached out to them saying basically the same thing. Hey, I did this video. I really enjoyed the experience working with you guys. The customer service has been amazing. The gear was really nice. I'd love to do more of these videos. Are you guys open to like a sponsorship deal or an affiliate? And they, to my surprise, reached back out to me right away and said, yes, we would love to do that. We're not only gonna give you an affiliate link that you can use, which saves you guys 15% when you use it. It's linked down below. And if you use my links, I actually get a kickback, which is like 5%. But also, we'll give you a sponsorship as well. And so they gave me a credit to rent any gear that I want to review for you guys. So yeah, I got both. So in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys 3 pointers so that hopefully you can get your own sponsorships and affiliate deals, even if you're just starting out like me. So here's 3 things that I did that if you do them, hopefully you can get a sponsorship too. Point number 1. I've got my notes. Do what you want to eventually get paid for. Now let me explain myself. A lot of these places are looking for prior experience. And how do you get that experience? Well, you do it yourself. So for example, with lensrental.com, I spent my own money up front to rent the lenses and to rent the equipment that I knew I needed for the wedding. When I shot the video and sent it to them, that was proof that I could do what I'm asking for. So you can't just go out and ask places to sponsor you or do affiliates without any prior experience. They want to see what you can do. So start doing what you want to do. And if that means using your own money and spending your own time on it, do it, because eventually in the future you can use that as proof of what you can do. Point number 2. Take a chance. Now, you've already put in the groundwork. You've already made your video. You've proven what you want to do. You've proven what you want to get paid for. So now it's time to reach out to people. And that's the chance that you're taking. So chances are that some of them, or maybe even a lot of them, are going to say no. But you never know unless you take that chance. Point number 3. Don't stop trying. Now this doesn't give you excuses to harass people or send them email after email after email. Now is the time where you hone your skills, you keep working on your craft, and then reach out again. If you get a no, go back, hone your skills some more, and then try again. Never stop trying, because you never know who's gonna say, yes, we're excited to work with you. Well, that's it for today's video. If you liked this, hit the like button. And if you found it helpful, hit the subscribe button. Also, if you know someone else who could use this sort of information, share it with them. And if you've got any questions, leave a comment down below. So far, I've done a pretty good job at answering everybody's questions. I even made a whole video based on some of these questions. So you never know. Maybe your video will be next. Thanks again, guys. Bye.